एमजी साइबरस्टर एक ऑल इलेक्ट्रिक रोडस्टर है जिसमें ट्विन मोटर सेटअप और बैटरी पैक है। इसकी टॉप स्पीड 180 किलोमीटर घंटा है और ये 3.2 सेकंड में 0 से 100 किलोमीटर घंटा की रफ्तार पकड़ सकती है। साइबरस्टर को भारत में जून 2025 में लॉन्च किए जाने की उम्मीद है। 1. ड्राइविंग मोड, कंफर्ट, कस्टम, स्पोर्ट और ट्रैक। 2. सस्पेंशन, सामने डबल विशबोन डिजाइन और पीछे 5 लिंक स्वतंत्र सस्पेंशन। 3. ब्रेक, फ्रंट ब्रेम्बो फिक्स्ड ब्रेक कैलिपर्स। 4. दरवाजे, इलेक्ट्रिक कैची दरवाजे। 5. छत, इलेक्ट्रिक सॉफ्ट टॉप। 6. ऑडियो, 8. स्पीकर बोस साउंड सिस्टम। 7. कनेक्टिविटी, एप्पल कारप्ले और एंड्रॉयड ऑटो। और 8. इंटीरियर, गर्म फ्रंट सीटें और स्टीयरिंग व्हील, रैपराउंड 3 स्क्रीन कॉकपिट। वेरिएंट, ट्रॉफी, सिंगल मोटर सेटअप। जीटी, दोहरी मोटर और 4 ड्राइविंग मोड। रंग, आइवरी व्हाइट, एंडीज ग्रे, मिस्टिक टील, इनका येलो, कॉस्मिक सिल्वर और डायमंड रेड। The Keybster is a Tavodur cabriolet with striking looks. Some of the exterior highlights include a dipping nose, sleek LED headlamps with dolls, functional air ducts, split front bumper, dual-tone beams, inch-alloy wheels, arrow-shaped connected tail lamps, and a retractable roof. The Keybster will likely be freight in top space version with dual motors. With approximately 500 bhp produced, the upcoming roadster can sprint from 0 to 100 km in just 3.2 seconds. Asa for the range, we can expect the Keybster to get certified driving range of close to 500 km single charge. The Keybster will be packed with features such as 30-screen dashboard, automatic climate control, 10 suites, 360-degree camera, wireless charger, electronic parking brake with auto hold, auto-dimming warm, powerade and ventilated front seats, and more. MG Motor India has unveiled the Cyberster electric roadster, with pre-reservations now open. Bookings and deliveries are scheduled for March and April, respectively. Keybster to be afraid na for exterior paint scams upon launch. The Keybster will officially debut in India at the Bharat Mobility Expo. Price will be less in this segment because it's electric not engine cars, so most people like engine cars more than electric cars, so yes, that's all. By the way, the look is good. The price is too high for expectations. It should be 40 to 50 lakh, but it's 60 to 70 lakh as it's told. So I won't be paying that amount for EVS, instead is a better choice. Kaprer to this has bang has hitis good naam and trust Kaprer to this chineseva. Best car with reasonable rates, waiting for the launch. Will book immediately. The design and space are excellent, especially the front looks the same as McLaren. I loved it personally. The MG Cyberster electric sports car is expected to cost between 53 rupees minus 70 lakh in India. This makes it a relatively affordable electric sports car compared to its competitors. The Keybster isna electric sports car tehet is expected to be launched in India in 2025. The price of the MG Cyberster is expected to be in the range of 53 rupees minus 70 lakh. The MG Cyberster is expected to be sold through a new network of high-end showrooms. It's not a pedigree performance car, but if you're looking for a drop-top cruiser that does fantastic job of being comfortable, offering punchy performance when you need it, and feeling largely high quality inside. Find out how much you can save with Carvow's MG Cyberster deals, or get a great price on other MG models. Sure, those earlier MG Roadsters were small and lightweight, and this is neither, but it is the fastest and most technically advanced machine from the maker ever. The Cyberster is also among the. According to recent data, the Hector achieves raceley rate of 70-75% after 30 years, which is considerably higher than competitors such as Hyundai. The Hector was urged the best diesel SUV with highest raceley value bedroom, na e-commerce platform. It can dictate a steady 7 models. Although it is headquartered in London, GE is currently owned by the Shanghai-based Chinese state-owned automaker SAIC Motor, who took over from its previous Chinese owners Nanjing Automobile in 2007.